Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can change Instagram Reels cover. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and there are two ways to change the Instagram Reel cover. The first one is we can change it before we upload the Instagram Reel. So I'm going to show you how we can do it. I'm going to create an Instagram Reel first. I'm just going to upload a video to my Instagram. For example, I'm going to upload this video as my Instagram reel. Then click on next, and here we can change the Instagram reel cover. We can tap on edit cover, and here we can crop profile image, or we can also add image from our camera roll. We can also select another part of the video to be the Instagram reel cover. And for example, I'm just going to select this part to be my cover. Then we can click on done. Okay, then we just need to click on share to share this Instagram reel. Okay, and I'm going to show you the second one. Okay, and the second one is we can change the Instagram Reels cover after we upload the reel. So we can go to our profile and select an Instagram reel that we want to change the cover on. And for example, I'm just going to change the cover of this Instagram reel. So we can click on it, then click on these three dots. And here we can select edit and click on edit. Okay, then we can change the cover right here. Just do the same thing that I have told you before, then click on done. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can change Instagram Reels cover. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.